So tip number 1, thoughtfully create your meeting agenda and make sure it includes only items that need to be discussed or decided upon by your team. And I've been guilty of this myself. It's really, really easy to just throw everything into your agenda, things that you just want to communicate out to people, just share information, give updates, and so forth. But if you use it just as a one-way mode of communication where you're just the one sharing, that's an easy way for your audience or your team to tune out and start to multitask or not pay attention in the session. And so a way to prevent this is to make sure that anything that can just be shared one way, you either can write it down and send it out ahead of time and then just have people come ready to discuss. Or what I've started to do, because I still find it sometimes easier to talk through than it is to share, is I actually record myself. So my team has to listen to videos of me talking like this to give updates. They can listen, and then when they come to the meeting, they can kind of just be ready to discuss the things that were shared or heard.